Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 294 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called the Gentle Unraveling, a reflection for October when nature sheds what it no longer needs. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. As the trees let go of their leaves, you too can release what weighs you down. Imagine each exhale as a soft breeze, carrying away worry, fear, or old stories. You don't have to hold it all together right now. You are allowed to unravel, to rest, to trust the process of change. Now, say to yourself, it's safe to let go. I am softening into peace, and I trust what's becoming. Breathe in renewal and exhale what's ready to fall away. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry this feeling of grounded warmth with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.